Yeah, so as far as like processes, we really try to keep about a 90-day supply of inventory. So for example, if I'm selling 200 cars a month, I need to keep a 90-day supply. What I really try to hone in on is my percentage of frontline vehicles versus reconditioning vehicles, because you really can't sell what's not ready for sale, right? Otherwise you end up getting bad reputation, you're selling half-baked vehicles, and obviously your online reputation is not going to hold. So we try to keep about I think it's about an 80% on the front line at all times. But then we really categorize like how many cars are we completing on a daily basis, right? If our sales efficiency is we're selling 200 cars a month, how many cars do I need to get ready every single day to make sure that we replenish the front line, right? That's super, super critical. In fact, a lot of our bonus structures are set up in such a way that people are bonused off of number of cars completed per day and your contributions per department, right? So for example, detailers, mechanics, lot techs, photographs, like how many do we need to push out of each department to make sure that as an end goal we reach, for example, 12 cars a day, right? And that's a super key, super critical like operational statistic that we try to hone in on. What else do you want me to talk about there?